In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to manage inventory in your Shopify store effectively. Keeping your inventory updated is essential for avoiding overselling, tracking stock levels, and ensuring a smooth shopping experience for your customers. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Products section from the left side menu. This is where all your store products and inventory information are managed. Next, click on Inventory. Inside the Inventory page, you'll see a detailed overview of your product stock levels. This section displays important information such as available quantities, committed stock, incoming inventory, and unavailable items. Now locate the product or variant you want to manage. You can use the search bar if you have a large inventory and need to find items quickly. To update stock levels, look under the Available column. Click directly on the quantity number for the product variant you want to edit. Here you can increase or decrease the inventory amount depending on your current stock. For example, if you received a new shipment, simply add the new quantity to keep your inventory accurate. Updating inventory regularly helps prevent customers from purchasing out-of-stock products. You should also pay attention to unavailable or committed inventory numbers. These values help you understand which products are reserved for orders and which items may need restocking soon. If needed, you can also enable inventory tracking for products by opening a product page and checking the Track Quantity option. This allows Shopify to automatically reduce stock levels whenever a purchase is made. After making your inventory adjustments, be sure to save your changes. Keeping your inventory updated consistently can improve customer satisfaction and make store management much easier. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage inventory in your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and goodbye.